वो खेल रहा है। He is playing. He is playing. मुझे किताबें पढ़ना पसंद है। I like reading books. I like reading books. मैंने उसको नहीं देखा। I did not see him. I did not see him. मुझे एक चाय चाहिए। I want a tea. I want a tea. वो बहुत ज़हीन है। He is very intelligent. He is very intelligent. मेरे पास काफ़ी वक्त है। I have enough time. I have enough time. आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा? How was your day? How was your day? इसका घर यहाँ से दूर है। His house is far from here. His house is far from here. मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताने वाला हूँ। I am going to tell you something. I am going to tell you something. ये वक्त बहुत कीमती है। This time is very precious. This time is very precious. वो अपने काम में मसरूफ है। He is busy with his work. He is busy with his work. ये किताब बहुत दिलचस्प है। This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. वो रोज़ाना वर्जिश करता है। He exercises daily. He exercises daily. उसने मेरी बात सुनी। She heard what I said. She heard what I said. हमें फ़ौरन वहाँ पहुँचना होगा। We have to get there immediately. We have to get there immediately.